Hi everybody in YouTube land, this is Tony, Antonia Takes Two, and a WLSFA. I'm always recording for two now because I'm too lazy to make two separate videos. Okay, hi, it is 11/12/11. I should have made it on 11/11/11. But anyway, this is my update. As we speak right now, Connie and Rosemary, Gastric Rose, and Quilt and Connie B are having their regional meet and greet in Dallas at Connie's house. And from what I can tell from Facebook and everything, there's looks like about 20 people there, and they're having a ball. So that's really cool. I encourage everybody to consider hosting a regional meet and greet. It doesn't have to be expensive. It can just be in your home, or if you're not comfortable with that, you can meet at a restaurant, or you can meet in like an apartment. If you live in an apartment, one of the common clubhouse areas, and it can be super simple, like everyone bring an hors d'oeuvre, nothing major, and have water and soda, and don't worry about it. And or you can go a little further, like Philly Tomcat did in having something in Atlantic City, and goodie bags and all that. He even had a fundraiser for the WLSFA. I know I've made a video about that, but it's really up to you, but I think it makes your heart warm, and these are people that know what you're all about, what you've gone through, what you're going through, what your challenges are. They have ideas. It's good to hug each other. So anyway, enough of that. What's going on with me? Well, I still weigh 188 pounds. I go between 188 and 190, 91, up and down consistently. So I've been maintaining this for a long time now. I'm very, very happy about that. Almost close to 2 years now, and feel like for the first time in my life I'm just a normal person, watching what I eat, paying attention to what I eat, and not starving all the time, not really on a diet, but just I eat a new way, and that's a good thing. And so I'm happy about that. And the one thing I'm not happy about with myself is I spend too much time working and I don't make time for exercise. I do walk my dogs, but that elliptical thing, it just sits there and collects dust, and I know I need to get my butt on it. So I'm going to. Anyway, the WSFA has been doing really well. We've been working hard on funding grants, and to that end, we did a grant for a fellow named Jose Vidro, and he had his weight loss surgery in October on the 27th, and we just released another grant for a lady named Kimberly Grimes, and she needed a small partial grant. She's having a revision from an RNY, which she's had a lot of complications with iron deficiency and other things, so she's having it revised to duodenal switch, and that's going to be happening, I believe, the 28th of November. So we're very excited for Kimberly that she can have her surgery, and that we have released our 4th grant. And as you know, we're collecting applications for our big grant program, which is the total grants like what Connie got. And people, if you do want to, you have to go to your bariatric surgeon, tell them to write a letter to referral at WLSFA, and we will tell them exactly how to refer you, and then you can already get your applications off our website, and you can submit those in. So you have till New Year's Eve or December 31st to get your application in for the what we call episode of care grants. And in the meantime, we're going to fund as many of the time-sensitive emergency grants that we can. We're always fundraising. We have a budget for our grant program, and so we're always raising money for the big grant programs and taking a percentage of what comes in for the smaller emergency grants. It lets us help more people, and that's what we want to do. We want to help as many people as we can gain access to weight loss surgery, right, to the medical treatment of obesity, right, on my soapbox. Anyway, the meet and greet's going great. We have like 188 days till it's here. We have about 40 tickets left for the early bird. The first 200 purchasers, they go into a drawing to win the VIP package, which is airfare, hotel room, limousine rides, VIP cards. I mean, you name it, you're going to be treated like a VIP if we pull your name out of there. So please get in on that if you can. before December 31st. That's the cutoff. That's when we're going to draw the name live on the web for all to see for who wins that package. And as far as the event, things are coming, together. We're building our speakers list. Everyone probably knows already we have Dr. David Katz, a nationally known speaker and medical correspondent to things like ABC News and O Magazine and Huffington Post, and he's a wonderful man, and he's going to do a talk. And we're going to have some new speakers that we haven't had before. We're going to have Colleen Cooks coming to join us and give a talk. We're going to have, I'm not sure what they want to call themselves yet, but we're going to have a group of 5 bariatric surgery patient men, and it'll be the men's forum, and to talk to us about what that's like, what their issues are, and their spouse's issues with them, and life after weight loss surgery as a man. And we will have a new plastic surgeon, Dr. Picard. He is from Southern California, and he is going to be a main speaker. He's become a professional level sponsor, a big sponsor of the meet and greet, which we thank you for, Dr. Picard. And he's going to do consultations like Dr. Katzen did last year. And yes, Dr. Katzen will join us again and do consultations. And Cosmed, if any of you know Sally Wembley or Cabernet Queen, she just had her surgery with them in Mexico and had a fantastic experience. So it's a slightly more affordable option, and you can meet him in person, talk to him, and see what if that might be an option for you if you're looking for plastic surgery. And there'll be more. When, of course, some of our favorite people will be coming back, Connie Stapleton and Carrie Daly Cruz, and we'll have Yvonne as our MC, and we will have Frank and Mary Ellen from Lipo. They're going to do a talk. I'm excited about adding them to the lineup, and it's building. So super cool. Friday night, I announced it today on the Facebook and on our website. We're going to have the opening night party. Is going to be a country western hoedown, complete with hay bales and gingham, red and white gingham, and we're going to give out little cowboy hats and scarves at the door. If you have that kind of stuff, if you're into country western line dancing or music or dress, please bring an outfit for Friday night. Bring your boots. It's all tying in with our Kick It Up a Notch, theme for this year. And we're going to all have a chance to take line dance lessons. And that's a great way to break the ice. There's a lot of single women, or women that are traveling on their own. And line dancing you can do. You don't need a partner, so it's a perfect kind of thing to do. And the first night, we want to just have a ball. So anyway, we want to have a ball the whole time. So Saturday night, we're still working on. I'll announce that when we figure it out. And that's where we are with it. And the vendors, we've got some great new vendors. We have another new sponsor, Synovus. Thank you, Synovus, a professional level sponsor of the event. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Of course, Allergan is coming back again as a platinum level sponsor. So we're doing well, and we're going to have a really good time at Bally's. And if you can't join us in 212, which I hope you can, we're going to do it again in 2013 at Bally's, so we'll just know what we're doing even better, right? So that's what's going on with the meet and greet, with the foundation, and with me. I'm doing good. Jim's great. Looking forward to Thanksgiving, and I'll make another update soon. So until next time, bye-bye.